A leaking pipe at home or work can be a headache. Replacing pipes can be a lot of work, and calling a plumber can be expensive. With MEGAFIX, the solution is quick, easy, and inexpensive. They come in different sizes in both epoxy and rubber. The work is simple. Just remove any substances around the damaged area and apply the rubber tape or the epoxy putty, depending on your kit, around the affected area. Now soak and squeeze MEGAFIX in room temperature water. Wrap MEGAFIX and rub it with water until it is soft and smooth. In less than 15 minutes, you are done. And within 2 hours, the resin will harden and the leak will be stopped. You may also use MEGAFIX for reinforcing couplings, T's and elbows. Even use it on broken household tools. Get yours today.